Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to enable Do Not Track in your browser and protect your online privacy. Start by opening your browser settings. Head over to the Privacy and Security section and look for the option that says Send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic. Turn that on, and your browser will start requesting websites not to track your activity now. Keep in mind that not every website will respect this setting, but many do, and it's a solid first step toward a more private browsing experience. If you want to go even further, try using a privacy-focused browser like Brave Firefox or Tor. These browsers come with built-in ad and tracker blockers that help you stay anonymous online without any extra setup. Taking small steps like this can make a big difference in how much of your data stays private. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple privacy tips and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.